Hello everybody, I got my first box of, I know, look, it's got Gordon Ramsay on it, and it's called Home Chef. Decided to try this out. Let's see. It's my very first order. Let's see, and it's meals that you make at home. I forgot I did it, and it just came today. But it says meals Gordon swears by. Perishable, keep refrigerated. So I'm unboxing it. Let's see what's in it. I told you it's my first order. It comes all packaged. It comes with the recipe cards. I guess you get a booklet or something. Oh, I did get one. Oh, so this is my first meals. It's called Home Chef. It gives you all the recipes, step-by-step recipes on the back. I decided to give this a try. I got Trout It Up with whipped feta. And it's got the recipe. So it's got trout in it, obviously. I got chicken cordon bleu. And it says with squash and peppers. This is the picture here. The recipe's on the back. I got sheet pan harvest chicken and vegetables with beet arugula salad. I love beets. I never knew I loved beets so much. And it's got the recipe in the back. And spinach and shrimp orzo with tomatoes and feta. That looks really good too. I got them because I think they're meal kits, express kits, something to make really quick. Home Chef, it says welcome to Home Chef. And I put those in, so I'm excited about that. I'll probably put them in a little page saver so they don't get messed up because they're just like waxy paper. That's okay. And let's see what comes in the kit. Ice pack. Who couldn't use a good ice pack? I know I love those guys. All right. And this is how they package it up. It comes with the green beans and the onion, and it looks like all the sauces and stuff are together, which that's pretty cool. That's one. This one is the vegetables that come with this. Vegetables. That looks nice. And also this one has the potatoes, the vegetables, the arugula salad in it. It's kind of a no-brainer. These are like all prepackaged. You make them together. This one also has the tomato in it, the seeds, the arrozo. Is that how you say it? I guess it's arrozo. It looks really, really good. And then this package has all the meats in it. It's got the chicken, it's got the trout, and it has the chicken in here, and the shrimp. So it comes in a bag here, and I think what I'm going to do is go ahead and freezer these bags, so that way whenever it comes time to use, I just take it out that day and can defrost it. But yeah, all in all, I'm kind of happy with the servings I've got. It's just me and my husband, my mother-in-law as well. So I think it's a meal for 2 people, which we stretch it out to 3 people because it's 3 of us. The vegetables, everything looks really good. Look at the beets in it and the carrots. I think it looks pretty good. Oh, look at that. I'm so excited to try it this week. All right, I'll do some videos this week of how it tastes, how it looks, and I'll let everybody know. Thank you. Bye.